Are you wondering how to create SOPs in Process.st quickly and effectively? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you step by step how to build standard operating procedures, SOPs, using Process.st. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to get your processes running smoothly, ensuring your business stays organized and efficient. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus you won't want to miss at the end. Now, if you're new to Process.st, you're in for a treat. This software is a powerhouse when it comes to streamlining workflows, managing tasks, and building SOPs that keep your team on track. It's designed to make repetitive tasks more efficient, automate workflows, and ensure consistency across your operations. Let's dive into how to create SOPs in Process.st. First, log into your Process.st account. If you haven't created one yet, you can use the link in the description below to access the software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and select Create New Template. This is where you'll build your SOP. Think of a template as the framework for your SOP. Name it something that reflects the process you're about to create. For example, if you're creating an SOP for handling customer service inquiries, name it Customer Service SOP. Next, start adding tasks to your template. Each task represents a step in your SOP. You can break down each task into actionable items that anyone in your team can follow. For instance, a task could be respond to customer email, and another could be log the inquiry in the CRM. It's all about creating a sequence of steps that your team can follow without confusion. Process.st offers a super useful feature where you can add checklists, forms, and even automated approvals within each task. This is perfect if you want to ensure certain criteria are met before moving on to the next task. For example, if you're creating an SOP for content creation, you can add a checklist for editing, approval, and final review before publishing. After you've built your tasks, you can assign them to the appropriate team members. Each person will get notified when they're assigned a task, which makes collaboration seamless. You can also set due dates, so everyone stays on track and understands the timeline for each task. Now comes the best part: automating your workflows. In Process.st, you can set triggers and integrations to automate your SOPs. For instance, when a task is completed, you can automatically trigger an email to your team or even create new tasks based on specific conditions. This saves you time and reduces human error. Another feature to highlight is the ability to track your SOPs. Process.st gives you a detailed overview of all tasks within a workflow, so you can monitor progress, check completion rates, and identify areas for improvement. If something isn't going as planned, you can quickly make adjustments. Once your SOP template is ready, you can duplicate it and use it for future projects or teams, ensuring consistency across your organization. This is where the power of Process.st really shines, creating SOPs that scale with your business and ensuring everyone's following the same steps, no matter the department. And before I go, let me remind you that if you're interested in using Process.st to create SOPs and streamline your workflows, you can try it for free today by clicking the first link in the description. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. Remember, with Process.st, creating SOPs becomes a breeze, and you'll be able to save time while maintaining consistency across your processes. So go ahead, create your first SOP today and watch your business run more smoothly.